Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by making sure both phones have Xender and required permissions. This avoids connection failures. Once done, disable mobile data so transfers use local Wi-Fi only and keep devices within a few meters. On Android, tap Send to create a hotspot. On the iPhone, open Xender and tap Receive to look for that hotspot. You do this because Xender creates a direct Wi-Fi link that's faster than Bluetooth. This sequence gets the devices ready and initiates the first handshake. Now focus on pairing. When the Android hotspot appears inside Xender on the iPhone, tap Join or scan the QR code shown on Android. Make sure you accept the iOS Wi-Fi pop-up. You may see a system dialog asking to join a network. Accept it because Xender handles security. If a password appears, only use the one Xender provides. Once both device icons appear in the app, you've established the link. To validate the link, send a photo or small file first so you can confirm transfer behavior. With the link active, you simply pick files on the sender and hit send. The receiver taps accept and watches the progress bar. Once transfer is complete, choose disconnect inside Xender so both devices leave the temporary hotspot. Then you can rejoin your usual Wi-Fi. If anything goes wrong, start by restarting Xender and toggling Wi-Fi on both phones. If that fails, reboot one device and try the QR scan again. This clears stuck network states and resolves most connection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.